Konnichiwa. Welcome back to the Goju Karate Center. Today I'm doing a follow-along video of hoju, specifically Chishi, but I know Chishis are very difficult to come by. So I have options. So this is a Chishi in our dojo. It's a 2.5 kilogram Chishi. This is the one I'll be using for the video. But if you don't have a Chishi, you can go down to your local hardware store and get yourself a sledgehammer. The nice thing is you can have a super long handle, because remember, the Chishi is based on torque. So you can hold it at the end and get massive lifespan out of one sledgehammer, because remember, when you're learning, you hold closer to the weight, so it's easier. As you get stronger, you hold further and further away from the weight. So if you don't have a Chishi to follow along at home with what I've called the Chishi challenge, go grab one of these and come back to this video. Now, I strongly anticipate that this video is going to have a music copyright strike, but I don't mind. What I'm hoping is that you will find this exercise useful when you are looking for something that's a short but effective way to work on your Chishi. And if you teach Chishi to kids like we do, we use the Sally challenge as a way for them to build grit, because it is difficult. 3.5 minutes is a long time to do squats and lifts. And at the end of the day, they might hate at the beginning, but you'll find that after a couple of months, they end up loving it. So let's go over some basics first before we do the Chishi challenge, so you are familiar with the movements. Chishi, 1, 2, 3, 4, roughly 5. 5.5, so you can be a good shikodachi. The first one is the swing and catch, so swing up, breathe in, out. You want a good shikodachi. You want this ideally. This is the goal, nice and straight. But if you're still learning or you're not that strong, it's okay to have a bent arm here. So we're going to do 10 on each side together. You ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Straight forward over the shoulder and down. So starting with Chishi behind you and down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready? Change hands. 1, see, 2, this is my bad hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, you'll see we do a double-handed grab towards the end of the challenge. So hands up. Oh, my feet are disappearing. From here, breathe in, change. Now, I know this looks awkward, but it's great for developing hip flexibility. That's why we do it. Sometimes, a lot of times, karate is not about looking good, but it's about getting strong. All the way up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and one more for Miyagi. Right, that's already 50 repetitions, 50 reps. And you are well on your way to getting that heart rate up, and then you're ready to move into the Sally challenge. Bear with me while I set up. I might have to do some clever editing, overlaying the sound, but let's see how we go. Oh, hello, Chishi. It's very straightforward. Song says up, you go up. Song says down, you go down. Yes, I know this has been done with planks and, leg lifts, but I think I'm the first one to do it with Chishi. You ready? Start with your hand of choice, as much of a muchness, and 3, 2, 1.
Green Sally up, green Sally down, last on the
Then do the swing and catch.
Green Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down.
We're almost at the changeover. Change hands.
Left me here to weep and moan. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down.
Change hands. Now we're going to do swing and catch.
Left me here to weep and moan. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta
Stay down. Change hands. Same thing.
dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Green Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Green Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground. Sally up, green Sally down, last on the start, gotta tell the ground.
Now. Hold.
Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan.
Right. And that is our Sally challenge. Also a great hit now as we move into winter here in South Africa. Keep people warm, keep people strong, keep people fit. You all know the benefits of the Chishi. You wouldn't have clicked on this video if you didn't, because it means you're into hoju, most likely Goju practitioner, except for our Shotokan friend Chris, who we have converted to hoju. Hi Chris. So, hope you found this useful. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's good to be back making content again. Things have lifted off my plate a little bit. Grading is over. A whole bunch of things have passed. Shay's birthday gashku is over. And I'm hoping now, in the next little lull, to get back to making more content. Especially since this channel turns 5 in May. So, exciting times. Thank you for joining me. I hope it was worth your while. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sayonara.